Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of like add in like a spoiler content warning to your photos on Discord before sending them. For instance, this is like the image is about like a movie that just came out and you don't want to spoiler anyone, but you just want to send it, and then they can choose to view it if they want, but if they don't, it's not going to be displayed, it's going to be blurred. So just press the plus button here and upload a file. Choose the file you want. Then you're just going to select spoiler attachment and you're just going to send it. And as you can see, it will be blurred. And that is it. You can even modify the attachment. You can name the file and also add in the description. You can also mark as spoiler here and select save, and it's going to be displayed as this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!